Hey everybody, LS Fishing here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the stinger rig. Or like some people might call it the trap rig. First, you need a 30-pound monofilament leader. It's about 4 feet long. And you also need a 20-pound monofilament leader. It's about 6 inches long. Yeah, about it. First you take, also you need an octopus hook, like a hook with with this part bent. And you also need a treble hook. First you're gonna take the 30-pound monofilament leader, and then have the octopus hook over here, and then I'm just gonna thread it on from the end. Have it about 3, maybe more, 6 inches, 6 inches from the end. And then I'm gonna take the other line, the 20-pound monofilament line, and then thread it on, like, have it into the eye. Just in through it, like that. Pinch it down. Have the other end go through the other side. Oh, there you go. Then have this end like go a little bit longer. That's fine. All right. Then you have a kind of something like this: a loop, 30-pound leader, the end, 20-pound leader end, and then another 20-pound leader end, and then the 30-pound leader all the way down. Then try to go with the loop. Take the loop and go around the hook like this, and then have this go out of the way, and then just keep doing it. Keep on doing it. I usually do, I don't know, like as many as I could, but maybe you can just do like 10 or 12 wraps. Alright, that's about it. Make sure when you finish you pinch on the part that you just wrapped on so it doesn't loosen by itself. Then you're gonna pull this part, the right side. I mean, maybe not the right side, the 30-pound in side. Pull this side, and then make sure you still pinch it down, and keep pulling it until like you cannot pull it anymore. And then try to tug on it on both sides. So wait, let me try. I'm just gonna pull on these 2 leaders. Just hope it does the job. Okay. Then it's gonna stay on the line like that. And then I'm just gonna cut the 2 ends. Not the 30-pound test end, only the 20-pound test. Alright, that's good. Get the other end. Yep. Alright, yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, make sure you don't tug on it. I almost let it slip out. And when it slips out, you cannot put it back on. Okay, that's good. Alright. So that's the sliding snell knot, if you're wondering what knot it is. And I'm just gonna slide it back up with the line a little bit so I can have room to work with the treble hook. Then we're gonna take the end, like this end, to have the treble hook on. I'm just gonna do a clinch knot because that's probably easiest knot out there that anyone can do it, but you can use whatever knot you want. Here. Yeah, that's good. Yep. So let me get there you go. And then I'm just gonna simply slide it down, like about this far. Oh yeah, also I think the treble hook is 2/0 treble hook. No, 4/0 treble hook. And I'm using a 2/0 octopus circle hook. But you don't need to use octopus circle hook. You can just use octopus hooks. I think it's better without the circle hook. I mean, without using the circle hook, but using the octopus hook. Now I'm just gonna make a perfection loop at the end. There, and then go around over here. Oh yeah, I have the perfection loop. I already made a perfection loop about. I mean, I already made a video about perfection loop, and you can check out my channel. There you go. Through. Good. And yeah, that's it. Take a look. The hook. The treble hook. Alright, make sure you don't play around with the treble hook because it can really like deal some damage to you. I'm gonna talk about like how to use this rig. So the treble hook is usually like good for fishing for halibut and stuff. And this rig can work for rock fishing, halibut fishing, and salmon trolling. Like you can just have something like a herring or a dead bait, frozen bait, and have it with this head on this hook, and then with the one of the treble hook on it in its body, and then you tighten the length between, shorten the length between these two hooks to like make the fish bend, like the dead fish frozen. It's frozen, yeah, right. To make it bend so that like in the water it kind of spins, and it actually attracts fish to bite it. That technique works for halibut fishing. I mean halibut trolling, and salmon trolling, in the bay and outside the Golden Gate Bridge. It also works really well with all kinds of live bait, like let's say with mackerel. When you're fishing for something like a lingcod, you can just have a live mackerel, or maybe even a squid. Like have a squid over here with its head, and like have its tail part on this side. Or with the mackerel, like you just stick the hook into its nose, and then you have the treble part in its body. But make sure you don't tighten this part, this length, when you're fishing with live bait. This can also work with like halibut fishing with like live bait in the ocean. I mean, it works pretty well, like really well. I caught like a few lingcods with these, and I'm gonna try it out with halibut soon. Let me think. I don't think there's more. Oh yeah, you can change the hook size if you want, because it's not like you have to use these. You can just change it out with whatever you want. I have the perfection loop over here, so I can attach it to like something like a snap swivel or a dual lock swivel. to like switch it out really quickly instead of tying it on and then cutting it off and then just keep doing it on and on. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.